Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Auto Sport in Indiana, Pennsylvania with something we don't get too often, a 2013 Chevy Camaro ZL1. These cars, in my opinion, are one of the last true American muscle cars before they switched to four-cylinder turbos and like strange 10-speed transmissions that get good fuel mileage. This got a 6.2-liter factory supercharged V8 with factory rated horsepower of around 580. Coarse exhaust system, automatic transmission, a really loaded up car. Today we're going to do a little walk around. We'll go over the interior, exterior, engine bay. That way, whether you're coming in to look at the car or have it shipped right to your front door, you know exactly what you're buying. We ship cars all over the country and really actually all over the world. So definitely we can help with transportation, financing, and do whatever we can do to get this guy in your garage. In my opinion, I wouldn't do anything to this car except enjoy it. It's got the right wheels, it's got the right stripes, it's got the right carbon fiber package. I don't know what's not to like. So we're going to start in the front, work our way around, try to find something. And yeah, so the paint on this car matches perfectly on every panel. I don't think it has, any signs of any major wear or anything, but that's what we're going to do here today. So you can see your front bumper and everything lines up perfectly. Really minimal wear along this front bumper. You can see it does have an added lower valance. Your lower grille and your grille in the front here, perfect condition. Even your headlights don't have any haze to them or anything like that. The carbon fiber on the hood, again, perfect condition. This car had to have sat in a garage because like sometimes this carbon fiber can turn like a yellowish color and get a weird haze to it, but none of that on this. ZL1 emblem on the hood, obviously on the side here, it's got the side stripes. I'm pretty sure these are staggered, but we'll check. Really good set of BF Goodrich tires, a lot of tread left on them. Front wheel, perfect condition, no curb rash, ZL1 Brembo brakes on the front. I mean, this car's ready to roll. These cars don't have like 12, 30 seconds either whenever the tires are new. I think new's like maybe a 5 or a 6. So really good to see a newer set of tires on the front as well as the rear. When we'll get back there, I'll show you. Mirrors, hood, roof, quarter panel. I mean, I really don't see a dent to pick on it or really a scratch for that matter. The paint has a real nice deep shine to it. Again, these cars aren't abused. They're somebody's prized possession, so they've probably been washed more than they've been driven. Driver rear wheel, perfect condition again around the whole way. Lug nuts, rear calipers as well. Got a nice shine to them. And again, you have your BF Goodrich tires in the rear, so a lot of tread left though. We'll go to the back. I can't tell if these rear windows got a little bit of tint on them or not. If it is, it's very little, but I honestly can't tell. Rear spoiler, upgraded Borla exhaust system. For some reason I thought it was Corsa, but it's Borla exhaust system. Got a nice throaty sound to it. Exactly what you want. It's not going to be too much whenever you're driving down the highway, but it's going to be just enough whenever you fire it up. Your rear tail lights, emblem, everything exactly as it should be on this. Got a nice fat look to the back. Your rear park assist sensors, and even does have a backup camera as well. I might as well grab the key and show you the trunk while I'm back here. Actually, I can just hit the button. Got a real big trunk in these cars. I mean, it goes clear far back there. There is a car cover here that goes with it that's included that we got whenever we bought it. And yeah, I mean, you could easily set 2 or 3, probably 2 sets of clubs comfortably. All right, passenger quarter panel into the passenger door and the roof. Really nice paint job on this car. Little chip right there. Again, I'm not seeing any major. Yeah, it does have tinted windows because this has got some tint on it, but it's not super dark, which is nice. Your rear bumper here got a perfect fitment. Sometimes the clips can fail. caused a separation over the years. Rear wheel just this nice little bit of curb rash, about 2 inches right there. But these are a special wheel that they had for the ZL1s. And obviously with the matte black wheels, quarter stripes, front fender stripes, car's got it all going on. Let me just look here before I take you in the interior. Don't see anything on the fender. This side of the hood real nice. Glass. Yeah, I'm not seeing any chips or anything. Was just PA inspected. I believe this, I think I bought this, it was either out of North Carolina or Georgia. I think North Carolina, but really clean underneath. And yeah, take you through the interior. So these cars have a suede insert in the leather seats, also has a suede steering wheel. Excellent condition on the interior. There's no odors. It doesn't have any smells to it. It does have heated seats, heads-up display, navigation, backup camera, as well as all your steering wheel controls for the radio, etc. It's got a Boston Acoustics stereo system, and it even has both keys, and all the owner's manuals are still in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. You'll be able to see it in the pictures on the website, but it does have suede across the dash area, which is nice. Sometimes people can use cleaners on these and kind of get like a weird fraying to them, but none of that. Headliner, rear seats probably hasn't even been sat in, but really like new condition in here. And floor mats just the same. Door sills also are nice. Again, I'm sure, I could miss something, but overall, this car is going to be, you're going to be happy whenever you come to see this car or have it delivered to your house. It's, they're actually pretty hard to find. I wish I had more of them, but they're just, again, they're getting hard to come by. So, engine bay, you can see again a factory supercharged 6.2 liter V8, obviously automatic. Underneath the hood, air scoop, carbon fiber, everything excellent condition. There's no fading or anything like that. Down in the engine bay, it's all been nicely detailed and kept. It's got a couple covers here on the strut tower. They cover over the top of the motor, and again, just a powerhouse of an engine. So again, this is a 2013. It's actually a two-owner car, and it's a 2013 Camaro ZL1 with only 41,000 miles. It's available at Autosport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. We take trades, can help with financing, shipping, and do whatever we can do to get this guy in your garage. My phone number is 724-388-4930. Call me with any questions. Thanks.